The MrCool DIY mini split sitting on the shelf at Costco for $17.99 uses a GMCC compressor. That's a joint venture between Midea and Toshiba Carrier, the same Toshiba Carrier that manufactures compressors for Fujitsu General's mini split line. That $800 to $1,800 unit shares a compressor supply chain with systems your contractor is quoting you $3,000 to $5,000 installed. Not as a conspiracy theory, not as a Reddit rumor. That's from the corporate filings. And this isn't one brand getting lucky with one parts supplier. Every year, GMCC produces over 100 million rotary compressors and holds more than 30% of the entire global air conditioning compressor market. On Senville's own FAQ page, they confirm GMCC inverter compressors in their units. The Pioneer systems built by GRE run the same GMCC rotary platform. 3 budget brands, 1 compressor giant, and a price tag that makes the premium tier very uncomfortable. By the end of this video, you'll know which premium brands are overcharging, the ownership trick that connects a $3,000 Daikin to a $1,500 Goodman, and 3 budget mini splits that deliver 90% of the performance at half the installed price. Number 1 on the overpriced list. And it's Mitsubishi, the name your contractor drops when he wants you to feel like you're buying the best. And look, the hardware is solid. I'm not going to pretend otherwise. Their MSC FS12 NA Hyperheat runs a SEER 2 rating of 26.3. They manufacture their own compressors at Siam Compressor Industry in Thailand. The engineering is real, but the installed price on that 12,000 BTU single-zone unit runs $3,800 to $6,800 through a Diamond Contractor. The equipment itself wholesales for $2,500 to $3,500. Everything above that number is labor, dealer margin, permit fees, and the Diamond Contractor certification premium that Mitsubishi charges their installers to carry the badge. On a typical single-zone wall mount, the tech is there 4 to 8 hours. That means 40 to 60% of the check you're writing isn't for the compressor, the coil, or the refrigerant. It's for the truck, the logo on the truck, and the guy who stepped out of the truck. That's number 1. And we haven't even gotten to the ownership game yet. Number 2, Daikin. And this one should genuinely bother you. Back in 2012, the company acquired Goodman Global for $3.7 billion. By 2022, they'd consolidated Daikin, Goodman, Amana, and QuietFlex under one corporate roof at the Daikin Texas Technology Park in Waller, Texas. That facility is 4.23 million square feet, the 3rd largest factory in the country. 1 campus, 4 brand names, 4 different price tags. Their own chief sales officer described the strategy publicly, and I'm paraphrasing. A unified approach so Daikin, Amana, or Goodman can each be a compelling offering for both premium and value customers. Premium and value from the same factory campus. Different sticker, different invoice. Drop in the comments which brand name you thought was independent before watching this. I'll be in there. Number 3, the installation markup itself. An industry breakdown documented that the average contractor wanted $4,000 to $7,000 for a single-zone ductless install. The equipment portion is often $1,500 to $2,000. Federal labor data puts the median HVAC installer wage at about $28.75 an hour before overhead. A single-zone job takes 4 to 8 hours. So the actual labor runs $200 to $600 in wages paid to the person doing the work. The rest is overhead, margin, and the brand's dealer certification fee that gets baked into your quote as a line item you never see. If you've made it this far, subscribe. We do this every week, and the list does not get shorter. Number 4, the warranty trap. A 12-year warranty from Mitsubishi requires a Diamond Contractor install plus registration within 60 to 90 days. Miss that registration window, and it drops to 5 years parts. 7 on the compressor. The Fujitsu warranty document goes further, explicitly stating that systems purchased from any online retailer will not be covered. And Daikin requires a Comfort Pro dealer install for extended terms. So that 12-year number on the brochure, the one that justified the premium price, it evaporates the moment you buy from anyone other than the contractor in your living room. The warranty isn't protecting you. It's protecting the dealer channel. Now sit with this for a second. The Daikin Group owns Goodman. Installed Mitsubishi pricing is 40 to 60% markup over equipment cost, and Fujitsu voids coverage on internet purchases. 3 premium brands, 3 versions of the same play. Lock you into the contractor channel, where the margin lives. That's not quality engineering. That's distribution economics wearing a lab coat. That's the list. And the point was never to leave you scared with a dead system and no options. The point was to show you where the money actually goes. So here are 3 budget mini splits that earned a spot. Not because the bar is low, because real value at this price is genuinely rare. Number 1 on the buy list. The MrCool DIY 5th Gen 12,000 BTU. $17.99 at Costco with a SEER 2 of 23.5. It ships with a pre-charged QuickConnect line set, so there's no vacuum pump, no brazing, no EPA 608 certification needed. You mount both units, run the line set through a 4-inch hole in the wall, torque the fittings, and break the seal. Total cost if you handle it yourself and hire an electrician for the 240-volt circuit runs $1,750 to $2,350 all in. 7-year compressor warranty, and it's honored on homeowner-installed units. That last part matters because MrCool is the only brand on this entire list that doesn't void your warranty for doing it yourself. Honest caveat: the app needs work. Customer service gets mixed reviews, and if your winters regularly hit -13 Fahrenheit, this is not your primary heat source. For a garage, addition, workshop, or single-room supplement in a moderate climate, the math is not close. Number 2. The Senville Aura. It's built by Midea, runs a GMCC inverter compressor, and carries a SEER 2 between 23 and 25. Pricing lands around $800 to $1,200 for a 12,000 BTU unit before installation. The compressor warranty is 10 years with a licensed install. Noise floor on the indoor unit drops to 22 decibels, which is quieter than most ceiling fans. Trade-off: you need a contractor to preserve that warranty, adding $1,500 to $2,500 to the project. Number 3. The Pioneer Diamante. It's manufactured by GRE, uses a GMCC rotary compressor, and carries a SEER 2 around 20 to 22. Equipment runs $700 to $1,100. Homeowners on Green Building Advisor forums have reported years of clean, trouble-free operation. Honest caveat: the warranty is thinner at baseline with 1-year standard, and extended terms require registration plus professional install. You now know something most people shopping for a mini-split this weekend don't. The gap between a $1,700 MrCool and a $5,000 installed Mitsubishi is not a hardware gap. It's a distribution gap, a dealer margin gap, a warranty channel lock. The safest mini-split is still the one you research yourself. Check the SEER 2 rating. Find out who makes the compressor. Read the warranty terms and what actually voids them. And stop handing the premium list your money just because a contractor said the cheap one won't last. So YouTube thinks you should watch one of these 2 videos next, and based on how far you just made it, they're probably right. Click 1. And if you stuck around to the end, you already know this channel doesn't waste your time. Hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.